Welcome back to Aviate Global Network. My name is Chris, and in this episode, I'll be taking you through the process and the procedure of pushing back an aircraft from its parking stand. But before that, you must have experienced it. You have checked in for a flight, and you have been issued with a boarding pass. You board the aircraft, and after you locate your seat, you relax as you wait for the departure time. A few minutes later, the aircraft begins to move in the reverse direction before you immediately hear the roaring sounds of the engines as they start up. What is going on, and how is it that the aircraft is reversing? Stay tuned. The pushback track is placed right on the nose of the aircraft, and the tow bar is connected to the nose wheel landing gear as well as the pushback track. However, there are tow bar-less tracks such as the one depicted here, in this case below. Pushback driver, in coordination with the turnaround coordinator, then starts pushing back the aircraft. Pilots then start the engines, either one by one in a sequence or simultaneously.